Oh brothers, namaz will help you, namaz will to see Allah.
Dear viewers of Madani Channel and social media, let's listen to a few virtues of Salah. Salah is a means of pleasing Allah Almighty. Salah is the coolness of the eyes of the beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Salah is the Sunnah of the blessed Prophets Ala Nabiina wa Alayhi Salatu Wassalam. Salah is a lamp in dark grave. Salah protects against punishment in grave. Salah is a means of shade from sun on the day of judgment. Salah brings ease on the bridge of Sirat. Salah is Noor, that is light. Salah is the key to paradise. Salah protects one from the punishment of hell. Salah causes mercy to descend. On the day of judgment, Allah Almighty will be pleased with the one who offers Salah. Salah is the pillar of Islam. Salah brings about forgiveness of sins. Salah is a means of du'as being answered. Salah protects against diseases. Salah provides comfort to the body. Salah brings about blessings in sustenance. Salah protects against indecency and bad deeds. Satan dislikes Salah. Salah provides companionship in the loneliness of grave. Salah makes the scales of good deeds heavy. Salah is the miraj, the ascension of a believer. Offering Salah on time is the most superior of all deeds. The greatest blessing of the person who offers Salah is that he will see Allah Almighty on the day of judgment. Respected viewers, when there are such tremendous and wonderful blessings of offering Salah, let's all make a firm intention that from now onwards we will offer all of our Salahs with punctuality within prescribed time and will defeat and disgrace our worst enemy, the Satan. May Allah Almighty grant us steadfastness in our intention and bless us with these and more virtues of offering Salah. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyil Ameen. Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Sallu ala al-Habib. Sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad. Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.